Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the Jeremy Dewitte Show. I wanted to give you a little update on what's going on with the Jeremy Dewitte trials and where Jeremy Dewitte is. As you know, he was recently arrested by the federal government for his federal cases for tax fraud. He went through his initial arraignment, and they set the schedule for the court for that in the federal courtroom in Orlando, Florida. And then the U.S. Marshals returned him to the Osceola County Jail while he awaits his federal trial coming up on October 1st. So currently he's back inside the Osceola County Jail where they are taking care of him. Motor One's moving, you know. So in case anybody's looking for Jeremy, he's in the Osceola County Jail. Now, today is August 29th, 2024. As you know, he was supposed to have I think it was a status hearing or maybe a trial today, but that was delayed. So they've moved the date to sometime in September. So for right now, today, August 29th, what the state is going to be working on, as you can see right here on the screen, is a deposition is set up for the defense witness, Jennifer Burton, at 2 p.m. today. So as we saw before, Jeremy Dewitte and his attorney want to call a witness who is Jennifer Burton. You know, she's been declared one of the most unreliable and untruthful witnesses of all time. But Jeremy Dewitte's going to call her again so that she can testify on his behalf that he didn't do anything wrong. But just so they don't have any surprises in court and everything's on the same page, the prosecutor can depose the witness first and ask him a bunch of questions. That way, when Jeremy Dewitte's attorney eventually gets her on the stand and asks her questions, the prosecutor can be like, you know, we've already asked her some of these questions. Let me get up and see if she acknowledges the inconsistencies in her statements here, and we'll present those to the court. So that's why they do a deposition, to find out the answers to all the questions before they go to court. That way they know the answers to the questions they're going to be asking. So the state has actually asked for this motion to continue until the third week of the trial period so that they can help prepare themselves with this deposition of Jennifer Burton. Now, as you may remember, Jennifer didn't show up for one of her last depositions. So is she going to show up for this one? I would think so. It's not like she's being called by the state to testify for the state as a witness against Jeremy Dewitte. She's showing up as a witness for Jeremy Dewitte, and she seems to show up on time when she's working for Jeremy. But if she doesn't show up, you know, she could either be banned from testifying, or they could issue some sort of contempt order for her for not following the judge's orders and showing up when she's supposed to. But knowing Jennifer and knowing the Ninth Judicial Circus in Florida, they'll probably just reschedule the deposition for later and continue Jeremy's trials until later because Jennifer overslept. And yes, I know the deposition is at 2 p.m., so I didn't misstate that when I said Jennifer overslept. You know, she's very sleepy, and she doesn't know why. So here's the amended notice of taking depositions. Oral depositions of Jennifer Tremaine Burton will be taking place Thursday, August 29, 2024. Said depositions will take place in room 301.78 of the Office of the State Attorney. Do they actually have decimal points on their room numbers? It's not quite room 301 and 3/4. It's just above that. Below room 301, below room 302, above room 301. Jennifer will be there. Other than that, not much new in this case. We are going to continue to watch this and keep an eye out for what Jeremy Dewitte is doing, where Jeremy Dewitte is going, where people are taking Jeremy Dewitte, and the status of these cases. So make sure you stay tuned right here on the Jeremy Dewitte Show on the exclusive YouTube. September will be a big month for Jeremy Dewitte, as it is every year when he basically goes to jail. So make sure you don't want to miss anything by sticking around. Thanks for watching the Jeremy Dewitte Show right here on YouTube. I appreciate you. And as always, have yourself a great day.